Hey guys, recently I purchased a mouse, Lenovo wired M300 mouse in Amazon. So let's unbox and check what is there inside. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrah. In this channel I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some tips and tricks videos and also some unboxing videos like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel here. If you have already subscribed to my channel, give a thumbs up, comment, share. Okay, now let's unbox it. Yeah, this is the package which I received from Amazon. I have ordered two things. Yeah, one is the mouse and another one is a pen drive. Yeah, I will do that one in another video. So to watch the video, you can go to my description. I have linked that video down here, or you can also watch the video here in the icon. So let's tear this one up. Yeah, inside it has a box. Yeah, the mouse box. Okay, I will put this cover off. Inside they also gave a polythene cover to protect the mouse box, I think so. Yeah, backside they have given mouse and model and screen size and all that stuff. Here you can see the MRP rate of this mouse. It's 561 rupees in India. But I bought this mouse for just 250 rupees with a cashback of 25 rupees. So wherever offers are there, available in Amazon, Flipkart or Snapdeal or whatever, which online platform you are trading with. So make use of it. Okay, now let us remove this cover. Yeah, this is a hard plastic cardboard like that one. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it says Lenovo 300 USB mouse. Solis Lenovo 300 USB mouse USB Lenovo 300. I think they have jumbled the words. Yeah, putting the first word the last word the first, mixing, collapsing up. And down they have backed by a 1 year limited warranty. So this mouse is a warranty of 1 year. So let's cut this seal off and then open the one. Yeah, inside they wrap the mouse with a polythene cover, which is pretty much cool, the bubble cover. Yeah, you can see the sound here. Okay, now let's keep this one off and see what are there inside. Yeah, there are two user manual, I think so. Nothing is there inside the box, so let's put this box away. And here they gave two user manual, I think so. Yeah, I don't know what is this one. Yeah, no, this is not a manual. Yeah, one is they are mentioning the Lenovo 300 USB mouse, you can see here, and they have given in all sort of languages. No, it's not a manual. Yeah, this is a support page for that mouse. You can see here Lenovo 300 USB mouse. And the another one is, yeah, this is definitely a manual because it will be in all languages. Let's see how much big this one is. All user guide manuals are very big in all different languages, so that the user can study. Okay, let's keep this one also away and let's check the box. Okay, I'll close afterwards. Okay, now let's take the mouse off. Yeah, this is a bubble cover. I like this sound. Yeah, in small days we used to. Okay, I don't want to play, let's not waste your time. Okay, this is the mouse. Yeah, it's very, what to say, it's very compact, sleek, and the design is also it's fine. They have a Lenovo branding here on the bottom side, also a cool color scroll wheel with a soft click. Okay, now let us take this wire. Let us remove this one. Yeah, the wire is pretty much long. Yeah, I think it fits the screen here. I think so. No, it's bigger than the screen. So I think it's approximately 1 meter. Yeah, I think so. The wire is approximately 1 meter. And it's a USB wired mouse. So this is the USB Lenovo 300 mouse. That's it. Okay, let me check whether this is working or not. Let me grab my laptop. Okay, now let me connect it and then check whether it's working or not. Yeah, it says we are setting up Lenovo USB mouse. It says device is ready, Lenovo USB optical mouse is set up ready. So it's working. So that's it about this video. So I have made an unboxing video of the Lenovo this mouse, and it's also pretty much working, and backside the sensor is cool, right? So that's it, and this is a very awesome, sleek, modern, stylish mouse. Also a compact one in my hands because I have my small hands. So it's pretty much fits in my hand. It's what to say, there's a grip if we catch this mouse. So to watch more videos and stuff like this one, unboxing, reviews, all that stuff, subscribe down here so you can be in touch with my updates, what I'll posting. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. It's qurrahtech. You can follow and also be in touch with my daily updates. And see you next video. This is Rais Ahmed from qurrahtech signing off. See you next video. Bye bye.